students, I am Sarika Patil from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Vidyalaya, School number 29, MNC, Kolhapur. All of you knew the story of the lion, the man and the statue. We recite this story on the last period and I thought that you will solve the questions from 1 to 7. Now today we will continue with question number 8. Okay. It is about to increase our speaking ability of English. So, to improve our English speaking skills, it is necessary to speak English whenever we got chance. And question number 8 is always gives us chance to speak English or to learn English. When we speak English, we must use some phrases. Now, I read the question loudly. All of you listen carefully. You must pay attention. Okay? Here is the question number 8. I read it loudly. And the question is, use your imagination to complete the following. In this question, there are 5 sentences and you will complete these sentences with your own ideas or imaginations. म्हणजेच तुमच्या कल्पनेतून ही वाक्ये पूर्ण करा. In this, each and every sentences, there is one phrase and it is that is why. While speaking English, you must know it is a very important and useful phrase and it means in Marathi म्हणून. Before the phrase that is why, you must use your idea or imagination and try to complete these sentences. I will give you an example. The first sentence is ... that is why I didn't eat the mango. म्हणून मी आंबा खाल्ला नाही. म्हणजेच यापूर्वी तुम्ही तुमची कल्पना वापरून हे वाक्य पूर्ण करावयाचे आहे. I complete this sentence. Listen carefully. I was sick. That is why I didn't eat the mango. Now the next sentence is ... that is why the farmer beat the camel. And the answer is camel destroys his sugarcane. That is why the farmer beat the camel. Now the third sentence is ... that is why the monkey jumped into the lake. In this type of situations, you think about why. Why monkey jumped into the lake? And you got answer. And the answer is the monkey wants to take a bath. That is why the monkey jumped into the lake. In this way, you complete the remaining 2 sentences D and E. Now, the next question is question number 9. And the question is, underline the nouns in the following sentences. In the previous standard, means in 5th class, we all learnt about definition of noun. Even though I repeat it for all of you. What is the noun? A word that is the name of a thing, an idea, a place or a person is called as a noun. Means in Marathi we called it naam. The first sentence is, once a man and a lion got talking. In this sentence, there are 2 nouns. First is man and second one lion. The next sentence is, I am the king of beasts. Beasts means हिंस्र प्राणी. In this sentence, there are also 2 nouns. First is king and next beast. And the last sentence is, at last the man took the lion to a statue in a big garden. There are 4 nouns in this sentence and they are man, lion, statue and last one is a garden. Now the last sub question is, now use each noun to write a meaningful phrase and sentence. We find following nouns from these sentences: man, lion, king, beast, statue, and garden. Now, all of you make a meaningful phrase and sentence with the help of these nouns. For example, king. Phrase, a kind king. And the sentence is, a kind king was taking care of peoples. In this way, you make a meaningful phrase and sentence with the help of these nouns: man, lion, beast, statue, and garden. Now today's homework for you. Solve these questions in your notebook. Make a list of more nouns and write a meaningful phrase and sentence. Okay? Have a good day and thank you.